For some of us, gluing small pieces on can be a real trial. We try syringes and all sorts of things, and it's really about how dexterous our fingers are when it comes to picking them up and placing them and gluing them. Sometimes tweezers work for us, sometimes syringes do, and it's really finding what works best for you when doing adhesives with small bits. So for me, I like a silicone glue, so I'm nice and close so you can see what's going on. And then what I do is just pop a little dab in there, attempt to move the little piece. Sometimes I'm lucky. Today, generally I end up with glue all over me. And I'll roughly get the bottom down there and then get one of these picks and then just move it around into its right spot and make sure it gets a nice lot of glue on it. So here I'm just going to add another little spot. Hopefully you can see that. Let me just go and have a look to make sure. Probably need to come in on this side. Hang on a second. Let's see if this is better. Ah, yes, that's better. So a little spot of silicone, and I like silicone because it's not slippery. I can't do this with the glues like the favourite glues like Multi-Prep, Well Bond, all of those sort of PVA glues. It's just sad to watch me attempt to do it. Just pop it in roughly where you need it and then use the poker to get it into the right spot. That way you can really get the spot well. You can press it into the glue not too far. Get your grout lines straight and away we go. And once you've done a few, it becomes quite quick. So I know that I use the end bit to make sure my grout lines are good. Plenty of room for the grout. Put the first ones in and then come over to this end. Put the other one in because this one is going to be. And then I just fill in the space in between. I'll fast forward. I try to do it this way and then I end up with all my spots in the wrong place. So now I can straighten it all up, make sure it's flat, straight, and there we go. Need to ease this along a bit. So I do want to have some grout lines. We don't want our test touching because there's interrupted grout lines. Your eyes just really don't like them. There you have it. I hope that was helpful.